Welcome back to UK Autocar. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda Rebel 300, a motorcycle that continues to be one of the most approachable and stylish cruisers in its class. Known for its simplicity, comfort, and reliability, the Rebel 300 returns in 2026 with subtle updates that enhance its modern appeal while keeping its beginner-friendly character. The exterior design of the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 stays true to its minimalist cruiser identity. Honda has refreshed the bike with updated LED lighting, giving the headlight and indicators a cleaner and more modern look. The low-slung silhouette, wide handlebars, and exposed frame design give the Rebel 300 a confident and muscular presence despite its compact size. The fuel tank retains its classic teardrop shape but features new paint options and revised graphics for 2026, adding a fresh touch. The seat design remains low and comfortable, making the bike easy to handle for riders of all heights, especially beginners. Performance on the 2026 Rebel 300 is smooth and predictable, exactly what this bike is built for. It is powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine that produces around 27 horsepower. While it is not designed for aggressive riding, the engine delivers reliable and steady power that works perfectly for city commuting and relaxed highway cruising. Throttle response is smooth, and the engine feels refined, making it easy for new riders to gain confidence while still being enjoyable for experienced riders who want a laid-back ride. The maximum speed of the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 is estimated to be around 135 to 140 km per hour. This makes it suitable for urban roads and short highway rides, though it truly shines in everyday riding situations rather than high-speed performance. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity make handling easy and stable, even at lower speeds. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest advantages of the Rebel 300. The 2026 model offers an impressive average fuel consumption of approximately 30 to 32 km per liter, depending on riding style. This excellent fuel economy makes it an affordable option for daily commuting, with low running costs and fewer fuel stops. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 is expected to start at around $4,700 to $5,000, depending on the market. This competitive pricing makes it one of the best value cruiser-style motorcycles available, especially for new riders looking for a reliable and stylish entry-level bike. The 2026 Rebel 300 model lineup is expected to include the standard version, with possible special editions offering unique color schemes or cosmetic upgrades. Overall, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 delivers comfort, simplicity, and reliability in a stylish cruiser package. It remains an excellent choice for beginners, urban riders, and anyone looking for an easygoing motorcycle with classic Honda quality. Stay tuned to UK Autocar for more motorcycle reviews and the latest updates for 2026.